Here I have some fake Oppo device and let me show you how to remove battery on the following device. First of all, let's hold the power key to completely turn off the smartphone. Let's tap power off and now confirm it by tapping OK. Whenever our device is turned off, we need to remove the back cover of the phone. And here is our battery. We need to pull right there to remove the battery. As you can see, the battery is now out and all is fine, and now we can place it back on its place. Let's remove the back cover as well. And now we need to turn on our smartphone. And as you can see, the smartphone works fine. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and leave a like under the video.